Hey everyone, it's day 21 of the LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar, and my filming gives me motion sickness. Today we are making some musical themed items, which is perfect because we had a piano and a gramophone already, and I'm pretty sure there was live music at the Yule Ball. However, in my world, Ron is the one providing it. Ron has a secret life as a famous classical piano player. He was scorned as a child by Fred and George for playing the piano, but look at him now. He is the headliner at the Yule Ball, and apparently he's going to be doing some singing as well. For you, Ron, you follow those dreams. Alright, that was a very short, sweet build for day 21 of the LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. We only have a few days left. What's there left to build? I guess we'll find out soon. Until we build again, I will see you then. Bye everyone.